Hi everyone, welcome to English with Bruce. I'm Bruce. Today is lesson 22. Have you ever had a close call? Like almost making a terrible mistake, but somehow avoiding a disaster at the last second? In English, we call that dodging a bullet. It means escaping a bad situation just in time. In Korean, a similar expression would be 간신히 피하다 or 큰일 날 뻔했다. Let's look at some practical, useful examples. Business setting. We almost signed a terrible contract, but thankfully, we found the hidden fees before signing. We really dodged the bullet. Personal setting. I almost bought a used car, but discovered it had serious engine problems. I really dodged the bullet. Let's say it together. Dodge a bullet. What? No energy today? Let's say it one more time. Dodge a bullet. Excellent. Every phrase you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay confident, and get ready. Wednesday's session is loaded with valuable tips that'll take you to the next level. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends so they can also learn valuable idioms for work and daily life. See you next time on English with Bruce.